Let's talk about the airport. An airport is a place where airplanes take off and land. When you arrive, you go to the check-in counter. You show your ticket and your passport. A passport shows your name, photo, and nationality. You put your big bags on a conveyor belt at check-in. They go under the plane as checked luggage. Next, you pass through security. You go through a scanner and walk through a security gate. After security, you wait in the departure area. There are shops, restaurants, and seats to relax. Your flight number and gate are shown on a screen. You go to your gate when it is time to board. Boarding is the process of getting on the plane. You show your boarding pass at the gate. On the plane, a flight attendant helps the passengers. The pilot flies the plane. Flight attendants bring drinks and meals during the flight. When the plane lands, you go to the arrivals area. You pass through immigration and customs. Japan has two main international airports. Narita is near Tokyo, and Kansai is near Osaka. Japanese airports are clean and easy to use. Signs are in Japanese, English, Chinese, and Korean. The airport is the start of every journey by air. It is a busy and exciting place to be.